Hello. A few weeks ago, I discovered a tool called Visual Copilot. It can take Figma Design and turn it into React component. New generated components should be responsive and without duplication. Here's a diagram that explains what is the workflow. So we want to avoid the code markup stage in our development. I wanted to check this tool in real-life scenario. I took some random Figma design that is public on Figma website. It looks pretty nice. I will try to generate landing page using this tool. Here's my simple Vite React application. It contains just routing configuration, CSS color variable, MUI components, It is already integrated with Builder.io. Builder.io DevTool is active. Before I click magic button generate, I must admit that I must modify the existing design. Take a look on footer. If I would generate it, element will have position relative. We wanted them to be flex. It is because the original design does not use auto layout. There is info about it in doc. So I copy-paste it to my own frame and set up auto layout correctly. You can also notice that the ads are just blank. I skipped them as they contain a lot of stuff that intersects with each other, and the background is very complicated. Also, I changed every button to be Figma component. Why did I do such a thing? If I click Generate, it will open a tab and list all the Figma components. Then I can map them with components from my application. These components must be registered first. You can do it by Builder.io DevTool. It will detect any exported component in your code and will register them. Here I simply export all needed MUI components. In mapping function, you can access Figma object properties like text content. You can also create generic mapping function. For example, here I map icons by Figma name. Here's how I mapped color from Figma. Okay, let's finally generate the code. Let's sync a code. It will paste files to our project. Let's take a look at the code structure. When I would do it all by myself, then I would have components like NAVBER, footer, car catalog, and car card. Tool is not perfect. I need to fix path imports. I was a bit lazy and I didn't style registered component like button, drop-down select, icon button, etc. to look exactly just like in Figma design. I just used raw component from MUI library. This is why they do not look alike in Figma. I could find some other small mismatches also, but overall it is okay. It is one-time use. When someone change design, you will need to generate again. They have a plan to introducing syncing Figma Desing with code in future. Link to GitHub in description. Thank you for attention.